How to remove payment method in Lyft app. Let's get started. Launch your Lyft app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to this kind of interface. Now at the top left corner, you're gonna find three bars. Click on it. Different options will appear. Navigate to the option of payment. In the case you have added payment in your Lyft app, it's gonna appear over here. You just have to click on that. Then you're gonna find your details. You have to remove all those details such as card number, expiration date, CVV. After you clear all the details, click on done, and with that you have just removed the payment in your Lyft app. So this way you can easily remove your payment details in your Lyft app. This was really simple and quick process. If you again want to add payment method, you just have to come to this page, select the option of your choice and add it. Well, that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can easily remove payment in Lyft app. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.